We are going to do a walkthrough of a 2016 SandMan SandPro M4831 Downdraft sanding table. The SandMan SandPro M4831 Downdraft sanding table has a 48 by 31 inch top and a working height of 36 inches. The tables have 2 inches of overhang on the front, 4 inches of overhang on the sides, and they are just about flush on the back. These 2016 M4831 Downdraft sanding tables are powered by a standard single-phase 115 volt, 3/4 horsepower Dayton motor drawing 11.4 amps at 115 volts. We did install new filters and pre-filters on these machines. We did replace the casters, and these are rated at 2,000 pounds a set.